Hi, in this video you can learn how to add banners to your website. So you can add multiple banners like image banners, video banners to your website. The banners will appear on your home page. So you can also add options to scroll the banners, or you can even add auto scroll options. So there are multiple features available for the website banners. So to add banners to your website, navigate to website, templates, click on customize. So you'll see the VD console where you can add banners. So just click on the banner and then click on edit banner. So on the right hand side you can see this is the only banner that is currently added. So if you want to add new banner to your website, click on add banner. So you can add solid color banners, images, even videos banners can also be added. So if you want to add a solid color banner, so select the color that you want to use as the banner, and even you can link the banner to any particular page category or content, and select the page where you want to link this particular banner. So when your users will click on the banner, so they will get redirected to this particular page or category. Then you can enable the banner elements. So can if you want to add any text to the banner, so you can enable it, and you can add your text over here, and then you can also enable the button. So the button will appear on the banner, and when the users will click on it, so they will get redirected to this particular page. And this banner, well, the button text can also be edited. Now just simply click on update, and a new banner will be added. As you can see here, this banner is now added. So the banner is added, then you have to click on save and publish. So as you can see, the banner is saved and published. So when your end users will visit your website on the home page, they can see this particular banner. So we selected the solid color banner, so now you can see it is showing here, and the button is also added. Now when someone will click here, they will get redirected to the page that you selected. Now you can see will land here on the about us page. So that is how we can add banners to your website. Thank you.